Dear student, today we will start the thermodynamics. In this chapter, first we see what is heat. Heat is something that produces the sensation of hotness or coldness in us. Or in other words, we can see heat is the energy that is transferred from one body to another due to temperature difference between two bodies. Till 18th century, heat was considered as a fluid known as calories. Always remember, calorie is not a SI unit of heat. SI unit of heat is joule. But later on, Benjamin Thompson, who later became Count Rutherford, rejected this theory of heat. That is, they tells that heat is not a fluid, but it is it is a energy. For example, when we rub our hands, they warm or hot. It means kinetic energy of the moving hands is converted into heat due to force of friction between our hands. Always remember, heat flows from hot body to cold body. The convention of heat is heat gained by the body is taken as positive and heat lost by a body is taken as negative. The SI unit of heat is joule. Its symbol is capital J, and CGS unit of heat is calorie. Its symbol is CAL. The bigger unit of heat is 1 kilocalorie equal to 1000 calorie or 1 kilojoule equal to 1000 joule. Now we define the calorie. What is calorie? 1 calorie is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water through 1 degree Celsius. Now, what is joule? How can we define the joule? Since heat is a form of energy, it should be measured in joule, which is also SI unit of heat, and 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joule. In roundup, we can say 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joule. It's all for today.